Hi team, FULLEST is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click up my canal. So today I want to show you guys how I make my fenugreek hair oil. As you guys know, I really love fenugreek. Some of you guys that follow me on my Instagram, you guys know I love fenugreek. I use it to make tea. I also soak it and I use it on my hair. So today I want to show you guys how I make my fenugreek oil. This is very healthy oil, very good to massage your head. It's also good to massage your body if you have pain on your body. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my fenugreek oil. So this is the fenugreek that I have. I bought this one at my health food store, and then I have a bottle of olive oil. I don't make a lot of oil because I do have some other oils that I'm also using, so I do not make a bunch of oil. But this is the fenugreek. Fenugreek is very good for hair. It's very good for the body, also very good if you're a breastfeeding mom. Super good. I sometimes do soak it on a container and then use it as a leave-in conditioner for the kids' hair and also for my own hair. And I also sometimes do boil the seed and drink it as a tea, which I really love. Very healthy, very nice. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my fenugreek. Here I have my fenugreek, I have my olive oil, I have my container, and I have my measuring cup. I'm not going to be making a lot of oil because I do also have some other oils that I've mixed together, which I am trying, so I don't want to make a lot of oil. So I'm going to take 1 cup of this fenugreek and I'm just going to pour into this container. Make sure your container is clean and sanitized. I make sure my container is clean and very much sanitized. So now that I have put the fenugreek into this container, I made this video on the 25th of December 2020. So I left this one to actually sit down for more than a week or something, more than a week, almost going to 2 weeks. So I'm going to take this olive oil. This is an extra virgin olive oil. I got this olive oil on my Christmas Christmas box from work. So I haven't used it, so I thought, you know what, let me just use it to make this oil because I'm just having it in the house. I use mostly coconut oil to cook, so I thought let me just use this olive oil. So I'm going to put the olive oil and then I'm going to take a knife or a spoon. You can use anything that you want. I'm going to mix the fenugreek. Make sure everything is mixed with the olive oil. Make sure everything is mixed very well. As you guys can see, the olive oil is not too much, but the olive oil is rising on top of the fenugreek. That is what you want. If you want, you can add more oil, but for me, I think it's better like this. I love it the way it is like this. So now that I have mixed this, I'm going to store this away, leave it for at least 1 to 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It depends on how long you want to leave it. I left this one for a very long time. I forgot about it because I had other oils in mind, and it's just few days later I realized, oh, I made the fenugreek hair oil. So this is what it's looking like. You're going to store this in a dark place, somewhere where the kids can reach. So I'm going to store this somewhere, but first what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this closet, I'm going to wrap it with the closet and put it in the cupboard so that the kids don't touch it, where the kids' hands can reach. If you have kids, make sure you keep it far away from the kids. But if you don't have kids, you can put it anywhere safe, somewhere that's easy for you to remember. So I'm just going to wrap it and then I'm going to store this away for a week or something. But I leave this more than a week because I make this on the 25th of December, and then I didn't realize that I had this till the 10th of January. That was when I realized, oh, I still have my fenugreek. So this is the fenugreek oil. I leave it on for like more than a week. So this is what it's looking like. As you guys can see, the fenugreek has really soaked into the olive oil. Like the fenugreek is soaked with the olive oil, and I love the way it's looking. If you want, you can drain the oil away and put it in a separate container, but I am not going to be doing that. I'm just going to leave it like this. The oil, I'm just going to leave everything like this, and I'm just going to take this one upstairs to the bathroom where I have all my oils. I'm just going to be mixing it once again and just to see how it's looking. The oil is very, very nice. You can definitely smell the fenugreek scent on it. If you're somebody who is into sweet smell, I will tell you this doesn't have like a really sweet smell, but it's really, really good to massage your body. It's really good. It's also good for the skin. It's not only for the hair, it's also very, very good for the skin. If you have dry skin, like I have a really, really dry skin in the winter time, especially I live in Holland. Some of you guys who don't know, I live in Holland, and in the winter season, it's very, very dry here, and my skin get really, really dry. So sometimes I do make this kind of oil not only for my hair, but I also mix it with my cream, with my body cream, because they are really, really good. It has a really, really nice benefits to the skin. So this is how I make my own fenugreek hair oil. I'm going to just take this container, put it in a bathroom with my other oils, and then I'm going to be using this for the kids' hair. I can also use this for my skin. I remember that one time I washed my face and I was in the bathroom and I thought, you know what? Though I don't like the smell, but if I'm around the house, I don't mind. I just take a little bit and I massage it on my face, and it's really, really nice. I really love oils. As you guys can see, the oil has changed color, has changed its color into the fenugreek. You can leave it for even more longer, for more, like to get the more of the nutrients of the fenugreek. You can leave it more longer, or you can just leave it for 2 to 3 weeks and use it. You can drain the oil if you be like, okay, I'm done with the seed, but I would advise you to just leave the seed in the container. Just leave it like the way it is, and if you are going to use it, you just pour the oil into your hands and just use it and put it back and just leave it like that. I think that is the best results. But yeah, this is how I make my own fenugreek. I also have a video coming soon how I make the Percocet hair oil, and that is something I have been loving. I made a little bit before and I use it and I really, really like it, and so I have a video coming to show you guys how I make it. So this is how I make my own fenugreek hair oil. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. If you guys want to see more vlogs, follow me on my vlog channel. I really, really appreciate it. I really, really appreciate you guys following me on my vlog channel. My vlog channel name is AMIFULLEST Live Vlog. Check it out. I will leave the link for you guys in the description box and also in the comment box. Thank you all so much for your love and support, and I will see you guys on my next video. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much and peace out. Bye. See you on my next video.